everyone, this is Diya Bakchandani and this is my new video. I hope you all will like it. For the starter, I'm going to make aloo parotha. It's a Punjabi recipe. It's very famous in Punjab. It is mostly used for breakfast. First of all, let's look at the ingredients we are going to use. This is smashed potato. I have added a little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of red chili powder, salt to taste, and fresh coriander leaves. You can see fresh coriander leaves and a little bit of green chilies, chopped green chilies. We have just boiled the potatoes and smashed it and added all these ingredients in this, and you can see it's like this. Okay, a little bit of butter just for garnishing, flour and red chili powder again, and some oil to cook. And this is the batter. This is the dough I have made already. I have added, this is just a normal wheat flour dough. I have added salt into it so that it becomes it's not, you cannot use the chapati dough in this because it will not give you the proper taste that you want actually. Alright, now let's start with it. Yes. And this is the kind of consistency you need to keep with the dough. It needs to be little loose. If you're going to make it tight, then possibilities are there the when you're going to stuff the potatoes, it might spread out of the dough. So you need to keep a little bit of loose consistency. Alright, now let's turn on the flame. Okay, now we are going to take some dough. This is the amount of dough you can take to make one aloo parotha, not more than this, else it's going to be very big and doesn't look good. This is going to be a little small, medium size, it will look very good. Just dip in the flour and roll it. You can roll it till the size of start. Okay, you just need to roll it and make it to the size of a chapati, not bigger than that, not smaller than that. Okay, now since it's of this size, just apply some oil, a little bit of oil, and you need to sprinkle red chili powder. It gives a nice taste when you're eating. In Hindi we say it's a nice spicy taste. Okay, chatpata type of. Just spread it, and this is the stuffing we have made ready. You need to add this stuffing into this now. I'm adding it, whole of it. See to that, make sure you don't add a lot of stuffing or a little bit of stuffing. A lot of stuffing will put you into problem that it's going to spread out of the dough, and little bit of stuffing will not give you any kind of taste of aloo in the parotha. So you need to, just medium, not too much, not a little bit, a medium. And you need to sprinkle some amount of flour so that it's not sticky inside. Okay, now we need to close this. You can see how I'm closing it, layer by layer. It's very easy once you're practicing it. You get used to it, it's very easy. You can say I'm closing it like this. It gives you a round shape closing. Just make it like a kachori, and then you need to lock it like this. Just pack like this. It's looking like a kachori now. You need to dip this into the flour, dry flour, and with a very light hand you need to roll this. Now you're not supposed to roll this very with the full of pressure, just with the light hand you need to roll this, as you can see. Do not make it very thick or do not make it very thin. Keep it medium. The width should be medium. Don't keep it very thick, don't keep it very thin as well. As you can see, it's ready. None of the potatoes have come out. You can see it's all packed inside completely. Our pan is ready now. I'm going to cook it on the full flame. As you can see, just put it on the pan. It's getting cooked. It will take around 5 to 6 seconds for it to cook on one side. Then you need to turn. Don't let it cook completely on one side and then turn. You need to cook a little by little. As I told you, this is a Punjabi recipe. It's very famous in Punjab. People almost have this as a breakfast in their morning times. It's served with curd, as you say, that is yogurt. You can eat it with yogurt. You can also have pickles with this, Indian pickles. As you can see, it has been cooked slowly. Now you can add some oil. Add oil and just spread it around. Turn to the other side and add oil. Spread around. Trust me, it's going to be very yummy. The color is going to be changing to golden brown. Slowly you can see that. Looking delicious, isn't it? One more thing I would like to tell you that in the smashed potatoes you can also add some sourness by adding the lemon drops, few lemon drops into it, so that you get a very nice taste. But I haven't added because I don't like it. As you can see, it's getting cooked and it's getting golden brown slowly. I have cooked it completely on the high flame. As you can see that I haven't changed the flame in between. It's completely been cooked on the high flame. Please do not burn it. Yeah, take care of that. It's ready now, completely ready. Yes, it's ready. Just turn off the flame and you're ready to serve now. It's so hot and so yummy. Okay, so here the aloo parotha is ready. As you can see, it's very yummy and delicious. To add some taste, we are going to add a little bit of butter. Yummy Amul butter. It's going to melt like you can see. And you can serve it with curd, yogurt. I've added some salt to this yogurt, and you need to add some black pepper. This is nothing but black pepper. I have already crushed it. You can sprinkle some black pepper, and here your recipe is ready to serve. Your guests are really going to be very happy. Trust me, it's very yummy, and I'm already loving it. Let me just taste one for you all. It's very crispy, soft inside. Damn it. I hope you all are going to like it. Please do subscribe and do like my. And if you are having any doubt, just comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye everyone. Thank you. Hi everyone, again I'm back. This is to inform you that next video will be about something different, that is called Sindhi Curry. It is a very famous recipe of Sindhi people, Sindhi community, and it's very yummy. Next time I'm going to make that. So do watch and do not miss me. Thank you. Bye bye.